friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about the digestive system. So let's start. Digestive system digests our food and also breaks down the food into nutrients which are very important for our body to obtain energy and for growth and cell repair. Digestive system starts from the buccal cavity and ends at the anus. Let's learn one by one about all the parts of the digestive system. First is the mouth, which is the buccal cavity. The process of digestion starts as soon as we take the first bite of our meal. After that, the teeth breaks down the food into small pieces in a mechanical way. The tongue tastes the taste of the food by the taste buds present on the surface of the tongue. The tongue is having nerve ending which carry message from the tongue to the brain, and then the brain tells us that what is the taste of the food. Is it salty or sour or spicy or sweet, and many other tastes. So, there is a liquid known as saliva in the mouth. This saliva softens the food and helps us to easily break down the food and easily swallow the food. It is produced by the salivary glands which are located here, here and here. Saliva is also known as spit. Now, after the food is broken down into small pieces, they are sent to the throat. Throat is also known as pharynx, and it is having a muscle known as epiglottis, which is like this type, bent. When the food enters, it slides like this type and prevents the food going to the trachea, which is the windpipe. After that, the food enters the esophagus, which is the food pipe. Just before the connection of the esophagus and stomach, there is a zone of high pressure which is known as the esophageal sphincter. It is a valve which is meant to keep the food not moving backward to the esophagus. Like suppose if we have eaten food and the food is just going to the stomach, and just then only we have bent it or fallen down. Then at that time, if there will be no high pressure zone, then the food will come out of our mouth. So for preventing this happening, there is the esophageal sphincter, the zone of high pressure. After that, the food enters the stomach. When the food enters the stomach secretes many digestive enzymes, mucus and hydrochloric acid. These all helps in digestion of food. Hydrochloric acid kills all the germs present in the food, and which is very important for our body. After that, when the food is digested much properly, it is sent to the small intestine, but not in the form of small pieces of food, but in the form of a paste-like substance. After that, the food is gone to the small intestine. Not alone, there are some enzymes secreted by the liver, gallbladder and pancreas. Liver, which is the biggest gland, secretes bile which breaks down the fat, and enzymes secreted by the pancreas break down the fats, proteins and carbohydrates. Gallbladder also secretes bile, as the extra bile secreted by the liver is stored in the gallbladder. After that, when the absorption of nutrients is done, there is a structure known as villi in which the absorption is done. In each villi is only one artery and one vein, and the nutrients are supplied to these arteries and veins. Then these arteries and veins carry the nutrients to all the parts of the body. So this is happening how the absorption of nutrients is done and how it carries to all the part of the body. After that, the undigested food is sent to the large intestine, which is also known as the colon. In colon, all the water and salt are absorbed. After that, the undigested food is completely in the form of feces. The feces is gone to the rectum, and as soon as the feces are gone to the rectum sends message to the brain, and if the brain tells that release these feces, throw out these feces from our body, then the muscles of rectum relax and the feces are thrown out by our body with the help of pharynx. So this was how whole procedure take place in our digestive system. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do not forget to like my video, subscribe it and also press on the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of my videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.